professional colleague, today the economic and business landscape is greatly characterized by the MSMEs. United Nations report mention that MSME constitute 90% of businesses, 60 to 70% of employment and 50% of GDP globally, which signify the importance of this critical sector in global economy. MSME are the backbone of India's economy. The importance of MSME can be underscored by the fact recently for the first time turnover of khadi and village industry has crossed rupees 1 lakh crore post-independent India. A detailed write-up on MSME is given in my presidential page for this current month journal. While our qualitative and effective audit is our strength, I would like to cite recent landmark judgment of the Supreme Court wherein the provision in the tax audit guideline of maximum 60 tax audit per member were upheld. This judgment highlighted ICAI's role in the regulating the CA profession, emphasizing the importance for high professional ethics and quality service, which are crucial for effective tax administration. I am delighted to share that recently Board of Studies has launched ICAI self-paced online modules on 7th of May. This initiative represents a significant leap forward in enhancing the learning experience of our students, providing flexibility to learn anywhere, anytime basis. After completing the prescribed 40 hours of learning, student can give self-paced online module tests any day, anytime, from anywhere as per their choice, starting from 25th of May 2024. Today, as we are in the 21st century, technology advancement is the new global necessity for sustainability. No field remains unaffected by technology. Similarly, accounting, audit and finance should also be greatly aligned and in tandem with the technology. Last month, AI in ICAI committee conducted 13 events on emerging topics of artificial intelligence. AI for us signify accounting with innovation and auditing with innovation. We have also conducted AI hackathon for ICAI employees which delve into AI use cases in our institute working. Today, as we are gearing forward to make India a Viksit Bharat by 2047, fostering the activities of research in the country is very important, as that stands as the pillar and drives innovation, invention and progress. With an aim to facilitate a platform for interaction and knowledge exchange between esteemed academicians, the ICAI has conducted an academia meet with universities and institutions which was attended by 35 academicians and researchers. Further, an interactive discussion on research advancement was also conducted to discuss with chartered accountants having research background from all across the country. At the institute level, not only on the financial and taxation matter, but also to increase the brand value of the institute on the foreign land, the institute is truly committed. In this regard, I attended a meeting of International Panel on Accountancy Education in Romania and reiterated the commitment of ICAI to serve the profession and its members. In the meeting, we have discussed potential disruption from automation, how AI can enhance our efficiency, and how to make the profession more attractive. Moreover, the Netherlands Rotterdam Representative Office of ICAI was also launched recently. On the domestic front, with an intent to serve its members, the students, ICAI has notified its 176th branch in the Tonk of Rajasthan. And further, a foundation stone of the new branch building at Jabalpur branch of CIRC of ICAI was also laid. We are making concerted efforts in aggregation of Indian accounting firm. In this regard, a networking summit on the theme Accelerating and Maximizing Practice was conducted recently at Udaipur. To improve practice management skills, ICAI has designed a 3-day residential course in our Center of Excellence, namely Practice Ki Pathshala. 3 batches of this course already conducted, which was attended by around 150 members. Further, in this year so far, 35 physical peer reviewer training program already conducted by the institute. We have also issued exposure draft of merger and demerger guideline, as well as a new model of LLP firms network for public comments. As the Indian startup ecosystem is third globally today, with an aim to foster the entrepreneurship and ecosystem of innovation in the country and among the youth, ICAI is organizing second edition of Startup Sphere, which is an interactive platform for the budding entrepreneurs and industry experts to exchange mutual ideas and thoughts. This will be held at the Tech City, Bengaluru from 27th to 29th June 2024. I would also like to inform the members, the students, that ICAI is celebrating its 75 years of foundation and trust. On this occasion, we have planned a unique event which is called CA Run for Viksit Bharat. This will be held on June 30th, Sunday, to celebrate 75 years of our existence. I would like to request all our 13 lakh stakeholders to participate in the event in large number at your respective locations. Now, let us have a look on the June 2024 edition of this journal, wherein the central theme of the journal for the month is MSME driving economic development. Some of the articles in the journal are Local to Global, Empowering MSME. MSME, a roadmap for developed India by 2047. Empowering the practice profession. India to improve custom duty on electronic transmissions. Digital forensic investigation. Today, with the Indian economy is progressing with an impressive high GDP number rate, and as the national leadership has enumerated the trinity of 3 Ds: demographics, democracy and diversity, which stands as the pillar of the development of our country. I would like to say that India is the mother of democracy. It is a model of diversity, and we have to move forward taking into account the many diversity that India possess. On this note, I through this communication would like to urge all my professional colleagues to help our country forge new paths of success and to give their best in all your professional endeavor and truly contribute to the development of our nation. Jai Hind, Jai ICAI.